In this video, I will show you how to add Zoom to Google Calendar so you can schedule meetings with automatic video links. To get started, what you want to do is come across to calendar.google.com and log into your account to launch your Google Calendar. Once you've done that, come up to the top, and what you want to do is click onto the gear icon to open your settings, and then on this menu, come and click onto Get Add-ons. Now what that's going to do is open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. From here, you want to use the search box at the top and type Zoom, and then what you want to do is select Zoom for Google Workspace. You should see Zoom come up. It should be the first result, so just give that a click, and then what you can do is click the install button. On the next window that comes up, just click onto continue, and then what it's going to ask you to do is sign into Zoom for G Suite. So you want to select your Google account from here, and once you've done that, click onto continue. Then what you need to do is accept the permissions and what Zoom for G Suite can access. So just tick the box here to select all, scroll down to the bottom and click continue. So what's going to happen now, it's just going to take a minute or two, and then you're going to get a confirmation saying that Zoom for Google Workspace has been installed. What you can do now is just click onto done, and then just close down the Google Workspace Marketplace. So as you can see, it's now been installed. So what you need to do first is come over to the right hand side. You can see we got the Zoom for Google Workspace icon here. Give it a click and sign in with your Zoom account. Then all you need to do is click onto allow on the next window that comes up, and then just click onto confirm to link your two accounts. You should now get a authorization successful window, so it's now connected. What you can now do is just go ahead and close this window down, and as you can see on the right hand side, we now have Zoom set up, and that is how to add Zoom to your Google Calendar. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.